Are you ready to take your real estate investments to the next level? With a self-directed IRA, you have the power to invest in real estate using your tax-advantaged retirement funds. Imagine pairing the wealth-building potential of real estate with a powerful investment account that could significantly reduce your tax liability. But here's the catch. Paying expenses within an SDIRA-held property often entails coordinating with your custodian each time to write a check. This can translate to long waiting times and transaction fees that chip away at your hard-earned savings. Fortunately, there's a convenient solution. Introducing the myDirection card, exclusively from the Entrust Group. With the myDirection card, you gain 24/7 immediate access to your IRA funds. No more waiting for your custodian to write a check every time you need to pay for repairs, renovations, and routine expenses. One swipe and you're done. No wait times, no paperwork, no transaction fees. It's the hassle-free way to take control of your SDIRA-owned investment properties. Upgrade to the myDirection card with Entrust and unlock a new level of convenience for your portfolio. Ready to learn more about the myDirection card and how it can transform your real estate investment experience? Talk to an SDIRA expert today.